close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Select the chatbot AI Smart Assistant ChatGPT over ChatGPT OpenAI product with this app. You can click. After that one tab open is the installing. Already 500 million. You can click the installing button. This take few seconds depend on your internet speed, your mobile signal speed. Hello friends, now I will show you ChatGPT, the voice version. After opening your ChatGPT app, and this you enable this how to develop memory.
To develop a strong memory, try these tips. First, stay mentally active with puzzles, reading, or learning new skills. Then, keep physically active. Exercise blood flow to the brain. Also, eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Get plenty of sleep to consolidate memories, and stay organized with calendars or to-do lists. Finally, stay socially connected to keep your brain engaged. Regular practice of these habits can help boost your memory.
To develop concentration for studies.
Improving concentration for studies involves a few key strategies. First, create a dedicated, clutter-free study space. Then, set specific goals for each study session to stay focused. Break your study time into manageable chunks, like 25-minute intervals with 5-minute breaks, using the Pomodoro technique. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications on your devices. Also, try to study at times when you feel most alert. Regular physical exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep can also enhance your concentration over time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy studying! If you need any more tips, just let me know.
This way you can use the ChatGPT voice version.